हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है. Market is very interesting in these couple of weeks and we are seeing a very euphoric kind of rally in market. Now in today's episode, we are here to talk about whether these rallies are sustainable and if yes, what are the targets that we are looking at. So I think we'll start with Nifty analysis first. What I'm going to do, this video is going to be a little lengthy because we are going to talk about Nifty analysis, Bank Nifty analysis and the sector to watch in this particular week. I have a strong reasons to believe a specific sector is going to perform. So keep watching this video till the end. Let us start with Nifty. Now last week we had drawn a range of around 16,400 and 16,000. So market is very well in between this range, and as we had discussed during the last market क्या लगता है video, I had categorically suggested that it may so possible that market may drop below the range like how it did on 26th, but it bounced back quickly and finally it is coming to the top level of the range. I would have really appreciated if this particular range of 16,400 was broken till Friday, but nevertheless now I feel that we are slated to open gap up. But let's not hurry, let's go back and check what was our message on Friday. So we did this market क्या लगता है video on last Sunday and last Friday, like day before yesterday, what was our message on the group. Let us understand that, and from there only we'll understand which sector to look for in this coming week. So let me just take you quickly to the growth model group. So this is a growth model prime group. My group is still sleeping probably. Let's go here and search for Friday's message. So this is latest, last Friday. Okay, so this is the first message of the day posted by me. This is about market view and what this message is saying. Nifty range may be 16,000 and 16,500. Bank Nifty range may be 34,500 and 36,000. Indices moving towards our target. Can we see a move in coming week to complete our targets? Right? This is the message. So possible target for Nifty was 16,500 and Bank Nifty possible target was 35,100. I believe that Bank Nifty has already completed this target of 35,100 and it has surpassed that target. Focus on SBI for a target of 500. HDFC Bank, the target is 1400, which is almost done. HDFC, I believe, closed around 1392 or something like that. Infi and TCS, all you need is a couple of good bullish trades in these stocks. Up move for a week or so. Okay, this was my message to begin the day. Now, this is one part of the message. Second part of this is the message which I keep on sharing on the social media platforms, but the next part is far more critical. Friday, just for this day, I do not wish to disturb the ongoing trades. We'll hold one and let's see what is the outcome by next week. For me, it is no action Friday. Are we surprised by gap up? There was a good massive gap up. And then I would suggest trail at open price. Monday can be a bearish day. So this was a prediction on Friday. The analysis was shared on Friday that Monday can be a bearish day. Monday is yet to come, that is tomorrow. So let us see how it is going to pan out. But more importantly, I want Nifty close above 16,400. In the meantime, Shishir had booked his profit. So from this level 75, he had bought 16,400 call options at 75 and booked at 135. Now Vaibhav is saying Bank Nifty at daily 50 EMA, some retracement possible. I'm just saying no retracement today, जाने दो उसे, जा सिमरन जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. So that was, but yeah, the important thing that I want to show you guys is that this message. So sell Tech Mahindra put below 1000, sell TCS put below 3000, sell Infi put below 1200, free money for first 10 days. Where I'm hinting at? Of course, you are right. I'm hinting at IT index. Okay. So most of the IT stocks are slated to bounce And I have reasons to believe that IT will be flavor of this coming week, the week which is starting from 30th of May till 3rd of June. Okay. Let's come to IT, but before that, let us complete our Nifty analysis. We'll do our Nifty analysis, we'll do our IT analysis, and then come back to Bank Nifty. And that's why I said that video might get little lengthy, but be there up till the end because we'll talk about the targets. So as I suggested earlier, it has remained beautifully in this particular range, but now it's time to break above this particular range. Now, what is the target that we are looking for in this particular week, this coming week? I am expecting the first target of 16,500. The second target is 16,800, which may not get completed, right? I'm not that aggressively bullish. In my humble opinion, Nifty target can be maximum up till 16,600. So whenever we calculate targets, let's say Nifty ka target hai, we have a Nifty target at 16,580. So Nifty in options, the difference in two strikes is about 50 rupees. So consider that 50 rupees plus or 50 rupees minus. So when we are talking about 16,580 as a target, so it can go 50 points higher than that. So it can be, let's say 16,630 or 650 kind of, that way it can go, but it should not cross 16,800 is what I believe at this point in time. So this is how we have to look at it. Now this is about Nifty. Nifty is kind of underperforming at this point in time. Bank Nifty is outperforming. Let us quickly complete Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has completed our target, second target as well, for 35,674. Now my expectation from both these indices is that Monday there can be a massive gap up opening, owing to global clues. I'm not a predictor, I'm not a kind of prophetic guy, ऐसा नहीं है. So based on the Dow Jones closing, I believe that there will be a massive gap up opening, massive so much so that probably Nifty will open at 16,500, Bank Nifty may open at 36,000 directly, and from there will be a sell off for the entire Monday. That's possible कि Monday को sell off रहेगा. So if you are carrying some overnight positions, it will be wise to book at the open or at least trail your positions at the opening level, so that you will not erode your profits. And again, you will get an opportunity to buy all those indices at a lower price. So my expectation is that Bank Nifty will open around 36,000, and from 36,000, Bank Nifty should open at 36,000. यहाँ पे open हो जाएगा. Then it should cover the gap. Okay, and then again it should go up, is what my expectation is. This is how we are looking at this entire scenario for Monday. For Bank Nifty, again I am expecting a similar kind of a scenario. The opening of Bank Nifty can happen at 16,500. It can open at 16,500, fill this gap up till 16,400, 300 probably. And from here again it should go up to 16,600. Right. So this entire process should take next week up till, let's say, expiry 2nd of June, this should happen. So we should get this intermediate top by 2nd of June, that is Thursday. So these are the expectations from Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now I was talking about IT index. So if we see here in all the IT stocks, if you see, let's say for example TCS is showing some kind of reversal. So there will be some bounce in TCS. I am not saying a very euphoric kind of a bounce, but then the bounce can be approximately 50% of this entire fall. So that rally can be up till 3,500. So target for TCS can be 3,500. If you are looking at Infi, again a similar scenario for Infosys as well. There is a bounce on the cards, and I am expecting a rally minimum, a rally up till 1600. Okay, this is a minimum target that I am talking about, because Infy has shown a very euphoric kind of a fall, so it may not be possible for these scenarios. There was a comment about Wipro. What is the long term view about Wipro, or shall we hold Wipro for a longer period of time? This is not the right time. Currently the bounce that we are expecting will be intermediate. So in Wipro as well, the bounce that we are expecting can be 50% of this particular fall. Okay, so it can be up till 500, 530. 500 will be ideal, I think. 530 will be too much. 500 can be the 500, 510 can be the target. And after this bounce, second week of this particular month of June can be crucial. So what's going to happen, we'll be discussing that in the coming week of Market Kya Lagta Hai. But as of now, we have a reasons to believe that this entire week starting from tomorrow, 30th of May, should be bullish, and it should be bullish up till 2nd or 3rd of July. My bad. So the week starting from 30th of May to 3rd of June should remain bullish. These are the scenarios. Now, what about the range? The range for Nifty right now is at 16,300 to 16,600. This is the new range we are talking about. And as I have mentioned that it should open gap up, cover the gap, and again go back here in next 6 days. It's not a one day thing. So it is going to take some time. Monday can remain bearish. And for Bank Nifty, the range is going to be 35,000 and 36,000. Cool. So yeah, perfect. So this was our first target of 35,100, and I'm expecting it to retest somewhere in between. Okay, so there should be some fall, and then again it should go up. If there is no fall, then consider this particular level 35,500 as a sacred level, and market should ideally not fall below this in the first few days. Like even if it opens gap up on Monday, it should close this gap and be up till this level only. So it may not go all the way till 35,000. So 35,500 classic midpoint, this level can be a classic support, right? So I'm just marking this as a classic support. Important support level is 35,000, 35,500. Ideally, we should not see market going below this particular level. Let's see how it goes from here. Okay, guys, that's it from me. It was a lengthy video, but I think it was helpful for you. If you have really liked this video, do let us know in the comment box, and do keep tuned to the channel Growth Module. Thank you so much.